Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready. Update iOS and verify the SIM is active so labels save correctly. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. This takes you to your SIM lines. Find the line you want to rename and tap its current label. You do this now because renamed labels sync with contacts and call logs. It helps identify lines in dual SIM setups. Make sure the phone finished any carrier updates. If not, install them. Now perform the rename. Tap the line, choose Edit Label, and type the new name. Use short, clear text like carrier or business so it's readable in menus and during calls. Avoid emojis or unusual symbols which some apps may not show. Once you save, the label updates in Settings and the phone app. If you use eSIM plus physical SIM, repeat for each line. Remember, this changes only the device display, not any carrier account records. Finish by checking the label in Settings, Phone, and FaceTime so everything matches. If the name didn't save, reboot your iPhone and try renaming again. A restart often clears temporary profile locks. If it still resets, remove and re-add the eSIM or toggle airplane mode briefly before renaming. One key troubleshooting tip: if labels revert after carrier updates, install the update, then rename. Otherwise, contact your carrier, because some profiles can override device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.